Hello viewers, please encourage our talent and like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. You can also be a part of our art gallery. So send your artwork, art videos and any other talent videos in our mail ID and contact us in our WhatsApp number. We provide online coaching also. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Vishwajit and representing Doremi. Do you want to be a part of our art gallery? So don't wait, send your artwork. You need to hold your artwork in front of your chest and take a photograph with your portrait and send us. Because Doremi is the platform nourishes the star to shine. So join our platform and keep shining bright. Please watch our full video. Don't skip because every second this video is going to be very much helpful for you. And don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Yes, you need to share more and more because I want many more people watch you and watch us.
So here is part 3 video, watercolor learn from your mistake. I request you to watch first our part 1 and part 2 video. In that video I showed how to color the sky and the land. So without wasting time, let's start coloring. In this video I am going to show you the tree coloring. So this is the paper and I am drawing a line in the middle of the paper. In both the sides, means right sides and left sides, I am going to draw a tree. In the right side I am going to show you the wrong process of the drawing, and the left side tree I am going to show you the right process of drawing. Yes, now I am drawing the left sides of tree. So as I mentioned, we have to learn from our mistakes. So mistakes is very much important to understand the watercolor right process. So here I am taking lemon yellow color and gamboge color, so that we can get a new color, we can create a new colors and take enough water and enough color. Now this is the right process. You can see, just you have to give a stroke like a leaves and never follow, don't go with the drawing. There is no structural drawing for the tree's leaves, but the wrong process, students, they always try to follow the structure. They always try to follow the drawing. So that is the biggest mistake. Now take your sap green color. To create a new color, mix the color with the burnt sienna, means brown color, so that you can get a new color. And take enough color and take enough water. Now again the color is getting gradually darker as light is coming from the top. So you can see this color is darker, and I am applying the color with the right stroke like a leaves. So I'm trying to make it more darker using viridian and burnt sienna, and you can see the strokes I'm just applying that it looks like a free leaves. This is the right process where I'm not following my drawings. My drawing is in my mind, but this is the wrong process. I'm brushing very flat way and color is also not that much of dark. So you can see clearly the difference between right way and wrong way. Now take your viridian green color and mix it with your burnt sienna and take the carmine, means red color. It's either carmine or crimson. So you can see the color is getting darker. Take enough water. Now again in the same stroke of leaves, don't follow the drawing. The more we are getting down, the color is getting darker as light is coming from the top. So light cannot reach at the down part, so color is getting darker, and freely you have to move your brush. Now more leaves around the trunk of the tree. Now there is a wrong process. You can see how the color is getting applied over there in very flat manner. Now we are going to color the tree's trunk. So take bonsai color, take enough water, and must follow what I am doing. You have to touch with your leaves so that leaves colors comes down in your trunk. After that, mix little bit of scarlet lake or do the flat brushing to get the light color, so that it shows that upper part of the trunk is getting darker of the shades of the leaves. As there is a leaf, the shade is coming, so that part is darker, but the lower part is lighter. But here in the wrong process, top to bottom they do the flat effect, no light and shadow is there. So this is the wrong process, not even trying to touch with the leaves, you can see. So this is the right process where the trunk is touched with the leaves. Now take a Prussian blue color and mix with bonsai so that you can get a dark color, so that you can give a tone at the left side of the tree. At light side there is a light, we have considered right side the light is coming, so the left side will be the darker. Now mix with, take more Prussian blue color with bonsai and take less water so that you can give the more branches. Now you can see your tree looks realistic, some more strokes of leaves with the same color only. So if you want dark color, mix with Prussian blue and bonsai, but here in the wrong process, the shades is too dark, so that is the wrong process where your tree looks very flat. So I hope this will helpful for you. Now I am going to show you the tree in the scenery. Now in this scenery we are going to color this tree in the same way. You have to keep your palette the right side if you are right handy, but here I am going to hold my palette in my hand so that you can clearly understand the mixing of the color, and that mistake blue part we will show you how to manage. So this is our lemon yellow and mix with gamboge yellow so that we can create a new color. Take enough water, and look here I didn't maintain my drawing while I am coloring the sky. So don't get scared, just give a stroke like a leaves. Let the color go outside of the line. Now take sap green color on it. Mix with little bit of viridian and bonsai. So mix with bonsai. You can see if you mix the bonsai, the color is getting very rich, very different. Yes. So light is coming on the top, so that the more we are getting down, the color is getting darker. Take the viridian color in it, mix with bonsai, little bit burnt sienna. Take some red also, means a crimson, carmine or scarlet, this type of, that will make your color more dark, you can see. And apply the stroke and show the free leaves. So give the strokes like a leaves. This is a way you have to color. Down portion will be more leafy touch rather than upper portion. Now around the trunks of more leaves. You can see how interestingly I am doing. Mix Prussian blue with that color so that you can get dark color. Mix with carmine, so color is looking very blackish. And give some touch so that our tree leaves looking very bushy. For this, here I have taken less water because I have to do the branches also. So this case I took here less water because already in the trees I have used in my tone water. Now we will color the trunk of the tree. So I have taken little bit of yellow ochre. Instead of this you can use burnt sienna also. So you have to, the main part you have to touch with the leaves so that the leaves colors come down in the trunk, so your trunk looks realistic. Mix with scarlet lake and take little bit water so that here you can get a light color so that it shows the color is coming and it is reflecting on the tree trunk, especially at the bottom, but the upper portion, as there is a tree leaves, so we can see the shadow on the top, so you can easily understand. Upper part of the trunk is looking darker than lower part because the leaf shadow is there on the top portion of the tree trunk. This is the burnt sienna color, and here I am doing the branches, so I have to less water. So let the tree trunk dry. After getting dried, you have to apply the second tone at the right side to show the shadows because light is coming from the right side. Now I will show you how to manage the mistake. So take the light blue color. So the time I was coloring the sky, I did the mistake on that part. So I have to manage this, I told you. So here you take a blue color, mix with little bit of brown, little bit. It should be looks like a blue only, but if you mixed with little bit of brown, so it looks, the color looks very mature. So here also I have done a tree, but tree is very far, so don't try to make it very colorful. Keep it in a very neutral color, mixed with blue and little bit of brown. And while I'm doing this tree, the shadow is coming. I told the light is coming on the right side, so left side there will be shadow. And in the meantime, the tree trunk you colored the first tone, that will be also dried so that you can apply the second tone. So here our tree trunk is not full dried. Now as there is a river, so there should be the reflection in the water. So with the very light blue color I am giving the reflection. Be very gentle while you are brushing. Now this is a time where I am going to show you the shades. Take the burnt sienna color, and already there is a green in the palette, so it's mixed quietly. So little bit burnt sienna mixed with little bit of blue, the Prussian blue, little bit of Prussian blue, so that you can get little bit dark color. But in very lightly you have to apply the color at the left side of the tree. You can see the tone. Yes, if you apply the tone, your tree trunk looks very 3D. Otherwise it doesn't look 3D. It doesn't look round. So we have applied the tone. Now take little bit of scarlet lake and mix the color with the light and dark. You have to mix the color and some more texture. You have seen the tree trunk, there is a texture, very rough texture, so I'm creating that. So I have mixed with more Prussian blue with the burnt sienna to get more dark color, so that shows the third tone, and mix the color. If you see the color is not getting mixed, you have to mix the color with the brush. Just gently you have to apply. Now I have taken blue color, Prussian blue, and mixed with carmine to get more dark color. So whenever you need dark color like a blackish color, instead of using black, you mixed with Prussian blue and crimson mixed with that red color. You can see that, and that this tree is very close to us, so that this tree will be very very dark, not black, very dark. So in the finishing touch, when I am doing, you don't have to take much water, take less water, because you are going to finish your drawing. So some more touch with the same color for the leaves, so that your leaves look very clustered and bushy. So I hope you like this video. I want you to practice this and look very attentively. Look at your clothes. Now is your turn. You make the video and send it to us, so that we can promote your painting also. Thank you.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.